So here's some construction advice. If they show up with this to do a drywall job, no easy sand, no mud, just caulk and paint, it's probably going to be a good job. So today's project, yield landlord special, we are going to fix what has obviously been tried to fix before. And we're going to try to keep it clean and off the floor. Try, main word here. Step 2, get some of this crap, shoot it into the crack. There we go. Perfect. Don't be shy, just get it everywhere. Take the pressure off or you'll have a mess, but that looks pretty good. Make sure to push it into the crack. Pick up the excess. Like I said, just work it into the crack. Pretty soon you won't even know we did anything. Don't go crazy with it, just no one's gonna see it. They're never gonna know. Feel free to use multiple patterns. Find the one you like. You can leave them a little tipped. You might sand it lightly. You probably won't though. If you're like me, you're just gonna move on. Make sure to push that stuff up in there.
Remember, the line does not concern himself with small cracks. Remember, just get it in there. We'll make it look pretty later. Gotta make sure to pattern it. If you're wondering, no, we will not sand this corner. We will just paint it.
Yeah, we'll just paint that.